Welcome to Eoiin Connect. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about issues. You can get here at any point by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner of the screen and then selecting Issues. You can also access issues by clicking on the Issues icon on the Project Details page. This is your Issues screen. Here you can log issues and enter key variables like severity, issue name, type, and team member assignment. Use the severity scale to log how critical the issue is, then finish with an expected resolution date. Send a notification to a team member by commenting with your team member's name. To attach a file, click on the little paperclip icon. To send the message, hit the arrow. The Options menu allows you to view closed issues, to delete issues, or to export your issues into a spreadsheet. And that's all you need to know about issues. Thanks for watching. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.